This woman says she voted for the first time in the September 3, 2020 general election. This was because she was paid to do so.
COVID election, money run. My MP Abayu would dish out the money like dirt. I'm not going to say the exact amount, just know say over $10,000 I get. And couple people who live near get the same thing.
Her first encounter, but she has seen it repeatedly.
But I know others from the same community, and the money thing is a norm for them.
The Representation of the People Act plays a fundamental role in Jamaica's current electoral process. Section 91 says every person who directly or indirectly gives, lends, offers, or promises to procure a vote with any money or valuable consideration to any voter shall be deemed guilty of bribery, and every person who accepts cash to vote is also guilty of an offense. But apparently, this is not a deterrent.
Enough things not right in Jamaica, and me not taking the money for my vote, now go change that. If me not take it, the next man will get it.
A 2021 report by the Office of the Political Ombudsman said candidates were pressured during the 2020 general election. It said they paid more money to secure votes as electors demanded more because of the risks posed by COVID-19. The report said vote buying was especially rampant among youth.